So the other day I got a really big package, okay? I got UPS right here at my door, and I got these two massive boxes, okay? And in these boxes are the kaliaudio IN-8. Now, these are 8-inch three-way studio monitors. In fact, if you look behind me right here, you would actually see one pair here. The other pair is right over there. So I got these in the box, and I would love to show you the whole unboxing experience and how it all went. Okay, so this is an unboxing video for the kaliaudio IN-8. okay, and after that, shortly after that, a full review is gonna be coming up. And first off, big shout out to kaliaudio for actually sending this over to me. Okay, so we try to reach a sort of PR agreement. Now take note, this is not a paid sponsorship deal or anything like that. Okay, this is just PR. This is just them sending this over to me. I give my full thoughts about it, and then we go on from there. I'm gonna leave the links and description and everything if you want to check them out right down below. A full review is going to be coming up really soon. Okay, so if you're not subscribed already, I encourage you to actually hit the subscribe button right down below, turn on the bell notification, so when I do drop that video, you are going to be the very first one to actually see it. And why not do the algorithm a lot of love and drop me one of these, okay, so a lot more people can actually find these videos. I realize people do look for unboxing videos, and it's quite crazy, so that's why I try to do my unboxing first before I do drop the full review. Okay, I've actually been testing these. Don't worry, you're not gonna be disappointed. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Terex. Nice to meet you. I want to be your friend. Okay, so join the YouTube family here. And what I do on this channel is that I try to do a lot of music gear unboxing reviews. I give you a little bit of advice. We try to have a talk. We chat everything I know about music. Also, my personal songs are right here and everything. So welcome. I advise you subscribe, okay, so you don't miss a lot more amazing content like this. We got a really nice channel here with a lot of amazing people. Okay, if you do see something else in the background that you actually really do like while I'm shooting this, then I'm gonna try to leave affiliate links right in the description box right down below, so you can actually go grab yourself something. I get a lot of questions as to what is that, what is this, what do you use to record that angle and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have everything right in the description box right down below, so you guys can actually check it out and go grab what you do want to get for yourself. Also, an amazing way you can actually support me is by grabbing yourself one of these. These are Jade Blacks, okay, these are the Lucid frames. Prisms that come in gold, okay, they got a lot of collection. Their fall collection did just drop about a while ago, and it's amazing. Okay, these things sell out really fast. They're amazing. You can actually get them prescribed if you got eye condition and stuff like that, so you can actually get prescribed. It is amazing, it's stylish, it's really good. Third way they can actually support me on the channel is by becoming a Patreon. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, that's a really nice way for you to connect with me on Instagram, because a lot of y'all do reach out to me. You bring your questions and stuff and problems, and hey, what's up, I can export this audio, this is what's going on, and I am really so happy to help out. Okay, but if you feel like my time to you is worth a lot more, then you can actually become a Patreon, and we're gonna still continue to do the exact same thing. It's not gonna change. Video calls, voice calls, whatever it is that we already do on Instagram, we're gonna continue to do that on the Patreon service. Okay, so it's just a really nice way for you to actually support me and support the channel, because a lot of these stuff I do have to buy myself. So thank you guys so much, and without further ado, let's dive right straight into the video.
Alright guys, so first off, I have one box right here, but actually there are two boxes, as you can see them over here side by side. So I'm just gonna fiddle with one box, and though I'm gonna do this kind of offline, because although this is an unboxing video, I'm just gonna have to do this because I don't have that much real estate and stuff space that I can just deal with right now. So you're gonna see this in just a bit, and boom, we are greeted with a box within the box, as always, as I like to always see it. And the first thing I actually see right here is some sort of manual just right at the top, and this little protective covering stuff that's just right over the top, which is really cool. So now that I finally got this out of the box, and I must say guys, this is really heavy, so if you do get this, you just want to be really careful with it. Try not to drop it. It weighs a lot though. So I'm just gonna take off all this protective stuff that's all covering it, and you're gonna see what the speakers just look like in just a sec. No, I actually realized that I had mine upside down, but just flipping it over, it's fine, it's totally good. And from first impressions, I must say, wow, this is really gorgeous, guys. I mean, honestly, the build quality on this thing is really good. I mean, most manufacturers use a lot of wood and plastic, but here you have more of the metal, which kind of has a little bit of weight to it, but it does make it feel really premium and really good. I did say it's quite heavy, so you might want to look out for that when you get this. Okay, so but it is really nice. Well, but everything seems seems to be really precision, cut out really good. I've actually been poking this a lot just to see if I can find some sort of cork in it, but nothing. Still holding up until today, and which is really impressive. So if you're gonna prop this up on the table, I do suggest you use these little good sticky things that come in the box with it, because these speakers are actually made of metal, so they did scratch my table a lot, okay, before I actually apply this. So I suggest you actually do that, so that's why you don't make the same mistakes that I do. See, that's why I'm here for you guys, see? Alright, so looking at the speakers up close and personal from the front in all of its glory, it actually looks really good, and you got that really slight kaliaudio logo right down there at the bottom. It would be really dope if this actually did light up like a MacBook Pro, but it doesn't. But it actually looks really good. It's not intrusive or anything getting into your face. It's just a real nice touch to the design. So flipping it over to the back, there's a lot going on here, but first off, I must say that this does come with power cables, okay? Just power cables, okay? You got no XLR, RCA or TRS cables right here, okay? So you want to keep that in mind when you actually do order these, okay? And the cables do feel really premium that should come with this. It feels really solid, really nice, really good cables. Now back to that back design again. So depending on where you actually want to prop this up, mine's on the table, there's a whole bunch of modes for you to actually set from behind right here, which I think is a really nice touch. Okay, not a lot of speakers to actually offer these, but this is actually really good because it kind of helps you take out the guesswork depending on the kind of studio that you're actually building with these kind of speakers. In addition to that, you got your power button, you got your volume controls, you got a whole bunch of all of your connections right here. Everything goes in from the back. So if you got some sort of like cable organization, you can actually just hide everything. You don't have to see it. It looks a lot cleaner that way. I know my studio is a mess, so that's why I'm just giving you guys this pro tip, okay? Try to make your studio look as dope as your music is. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also thanks to kaliaudio for actually sending this over to me for me to play with for a little bit, okay? So first off, this is my opinion and my opinion alone, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, a full review of this speakers are going to be coming up shortly after you actually watch this video. So if you're not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button right down below, and also turn on the bell notifications. When I do drop that video, you are going to be the very first one to see. Give this video a thumbs up so it helps a lot more people find it, okay? Let's do the algorithm some really good. All right.
Alright, so that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and for the free review, there's actually something that you do want to see. Do be sure to let me know, okay? And as I did mention that these don't actually come with cables, okay? So it's not exactly a bummer, but I did order cables already, and I'm gonna show the cables in the full review. The cables are like, because it's all connected right now and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Drop me one of these if you did like the video, and also tell me in the comment section right down below if there is actually something specific that you want to see in the full review, so I do know to include that in there just for you. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Don't forget, guys, be unstoppable.